Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. Till now, we have completed the entire discussion about bitwise operators in Python. So, in this video, we are going to learn about what are the assignment operators present in Python and how we can use them. Let's start the video right now. Now I am inside my VS Code and I want to create a Python file over here. For that, I will click here new file and I will give the name as tutorial 14 underscore assignment operator underscore operators dot py and then press enter. You can see the file is created. Okay, so we will see about assignment operators, right? Whenever we create a variable in Python, at that time we also do the assignment operation, right? So that means we have already used the assignment operator. Okay, so let me show you. If I write here var is equals to 10, so here what is the meaning of this expression? Here var is a variable and 10 is a value. So here 10 is assigned to a variable which name is var with the help of equals operator. Okay, so here equal sign, that means the equal operator is known as assignment operator. Okay, so using assignment operator we assign a value to a variable. Okay, so similarly I can assign a string value also to a variable. So if I write here name is equals to coding things, and here also I am doing assignment operation with the help of equal sign. So this equal sign is known as assignment operator. Okay, so here I am assigning a string value to a variable which name is name with the help of assignment operator equals. Okay, so this equal sign is used as assignment operator in Python. Okay, so now I will comment these two variable. Okay, so now we will see another thing here. So if I want to increment the value of a variable, then how can I do that? If I write here num is equals to suppose 3, okay, and I want to add 2 to the variable num. Okay, so for that I will write here num is equals to num plus 2. Okay, so this means I am adding 2 to this num variable. So now the value of num is 5. Okay, so if I print the value, then you can see uh, if I print the value of num, then you can see 5 should come. Okay, so yes, you can see 5 is coming. So the same thing, num is equals to num plus 2, the same thing can be done in another way. Okay, so let me show you. I can write it as num plus is equals to 2. Okay, so this means incrementing the value of num by 2. Okay, so this is same as num is equals to num plus 2. Okay, in shortcut way we can write as this. Okay, so we can write this as a num plus equals to 2. Okay, so similarly we can do for multiplication, for float division, for normal division. Okay, so let me show you. If now I want to print the value of num, then this num should be 5 plus to 7. Okay, so if I run this file, then you can see 7 is coming. Okay, so now I can do here num into equals to 2. Okay, so that means now I am multiplying 2 with num itself and storing the value with num itself. Okay, so if I print the value of num now, then you can see 14 is coming. Okay, so previously the value of num is 7, so num into 2. Okay, so that is 14. So I can write it as, okay, let's copy it and paste it. This is multiplication, this can be done is division, and this can be done with float division, this can be done with a raised to the power b function, that is exponential function. And this can be done with subtraction also. Okay, so this can be done with modulus function also. Okay, so you can do it by every arithmetic operator. Okay, so if I print one by one, then you can see the result. Okay, so let's clear the terminal. Now if I want to print the division, then here if I want to print, then you can see the answer is 7.0. Okay, that means it is a normal division. Okay, so if I print this in here, then you can see, I'll run this file, then you can see 3.0 is coming, right? So now if I want to print this here, and I'll run this file, then you can see 9.0 is coming. That means here 3 to the power 2. Okay, that means 3 into 3, that is your 9.0. Okay, 3.0 into 3.0. So here I can let paste it here. If I run this file, then you can see 7.0 is coming, right? That means 9.0 minus 2, that is 7.0. Okay, so now if I print the value of norm here, then you can see 1.0 is coming. That means 7.0 percentage 2. Okay, that is your remainder. Okay, remainder is 1.0. So in this way this operator works in Python. I will comment, I will write what exactly these are. Okay, so here norm is equals to norm into 2. Okay, and here norm is equals to norm divided by 2. Okay, so and here this operation can be written as norm is equals to norm floor division 2. Okay, so this operation can be written as norm is equals to norm to the power 2. Okay, and this operation can be written as norm is equals to norm minus 2. Okay, and this operation can be written as norm is equals to norm modulus 2. Okay, so in this way the assignment operator works in Python. So this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.